Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Homemade Living. Today another YouTube tutorial on how to create an account on this website and how to start earning money from the comfort of your home. Today's website is called fairlingo.com, and it's for translators who can translate any language and earn money from the comfort of their homes. So I'm gonna show you how to create an account on this website as a translator and how to operate your profile once you are approved on their platform. So let's get started. Once you open the website, it looks just like this, and it has a display in Dutch language, so we have to switch it to English or any language of your choice. They have English, German, and I think Belgian. So let's just switch to English as the language of display. Okay, once you click on it, it will take you to this page, and scroll down and look for translators. There is this section for translations. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you can register as a translator. Click on that, register as a translator. It will show you this form that you fill up with your details. I am a translator, and then fill up all your details, your name, your family name, email, password, date of birth, the language that you are willing to work with. For example, if you're native, for me, I am a native speaker of Arabic, so I used Arabic as my language. And then you register. Once you register, they will send you a link to your email, which will take you to another form where you fill up some other information about yourself, your certificates if you have any. They don't necessarily need a certificate for you to translate with them, because they have some very simple projects for unexperienced translators or students who are looking for some side hustle jobs. Okay, so once you are approved on their profile, I'm gonna show you how your profile looks like on their platform. Okay, so this is my earning dashboard, all the projects I worked on, and also my translation skills. They gave me some grades for my skills from American English to Arabic, British English to Arabic as well. So I worked on so many projects with them already, and I am still working with them. These are all the projects I finished, with them. Okay, as you can see here, and I'm gonna show you some other projects that I worked with. So it's very simple, very straightforward. Once you're approved, all you need to do is to wait for some opportunities. When they email you about some jobs or some projects, and you accept it and start working on it. You can do correction, and you can also do translation. That's it for now, guys. I hope you find this useful and make your accounts and start earning. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you have any questions about this. See you guys in the next one. Take care.